신나네.
나쁘지 않네.
왜 이래? 왜 웃어? 정신 차리자 진짜.
Going out with my friend. Is that your water?
Yeah, it's water.
Is yours?
No, this one's mine.
You can keep eating.
When is your mom coming to San Francisco then? I know she's recovering from surgery. How'd it go? I texted her today and she said that she's feeling better. A lot for the last day.
I'm like Justin now. Justin will know.
Yeah.
Your mom feels like she has that. She does. That's how her perception is real. You're buying a land and like a house that needs a lot of love. But that has really big windows over it, like with panoramic.
Like lowest. We should go the other way. So shy. I want to get out here already. Yeah, you can practice how to turn and stuff.
This is kind of difficult.
No, it's like Dragon Ball, right?
Well, I never did Dragon Ball.
I did Dragon Ball for like 2 days.
Really?
3 days.
Oh, okay.
But usually the paddle I have like one paddle for myself.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Got the paddle too. Guess I'm the man here. Someone has to do it. Oh shit. Oh, what's the all those boats?
Oh. Yeah, they're all like ruined. No.
That's crazy. I don't have to boat in like in a minute.
Yeah.
Wait, where am I going? Wait, because this way is better because the wind is blowing this way. It's easier.
Yeah, the water is going this way
Yeah,
too.
it's easier. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Here, have food. Not scared, huh? That looks weird. Dude, that looks really weird.
I think it's too heavy.
Dude, that's offensive. It's too fast though.
Yeah. Okay, you're right, it looks weird.
Dude, it's looking at us. You can see. Oh. Oh, look. Look. at these, so cute. We together.
Oh, is that the first one?
Oh. I'll take a photo. Maybe I should try her makeup too. What? Can you do it again? With that one dot?
Wow. Oh, actually that's big.
Sitting by the deep blue ocean, thinking that I couldn't be anywhere better. I don't know whether it's right or wrong, and I can. It's impossible for me to go on without you. I feel numb. Well, you will understand. I'm facing my fears. Well, I lose you. I saw this bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken. Sitting by the deep blue ocean, I'm facing my fears. Well, I lose you. I saw this bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken. Sitting by the deep blue ocean. Sitting where we watch the sunset, waiting. I don't know whether I will get to hold you one more time before you leave forever. Without you, I feel numb. I'll always be here. I'm facing my fears. Well, I lose you. I saw this bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken. Sitting by the deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean. I'm drowning in tears by the deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean. I'm facing my fears by the I'm facing my fears. Well,